Today, let's learn how to weld together. The copper tube with a wall thickness of 1 mm should first turn on the current and pulse time by 30, and then fix it by spotting, and then fully weld. The copper tube welding generally requires sealing, and then each welding points must be paid for, and the tail of a solder joint cannot be spaced apart, so as to ensure a sealing effect in the later stage. If there is no gap, you do not need to add welding wire. If there is a gap, you can add welding wire. This is copper tube sealing welding. Copper thermal conductivity. It is relatively fast, so the current needs to be increased enough when welding, so that the melting point can be reached instantly for welding. In order to ensure the sealing effect after welding, it can be welded again to increase the strength and sealing of the welding. This is the effect after welding. The foaming state is very good. It can be welded with copper, galvanized, stainless steel, iron or alloy metal materials. Simple operation, no need. Professional operator.